to Sarah Simple Beauty XO. I am going over my August favorites. I know it's like the second week of August, yes. So I thought I would just do it now, get it over with. So if you guys want to go get some stuff, you can run over to Walmart and grab it, because that's probably where I got it from. No, I think just about everything I got is from either Walmart, Walgreens, Ulta, or I do have one thing that I purchased online only, which is the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. Did I even use this today? Oh yes, I used the shade Snatched today in this eye look. But yeah, we're going to be going over that one. We're going to go over the BH Cosmetics Galaxy palette that they kind of relaunched. We're going to use the Covergirl Nudes. We're going to use Almay 4 eyeshadows of the same color, just different types, like a sheer, a sheen, a shimmer, and a shister. I don't know. Okay, we're also going to go over some Makeup Revolution goodies, some LA Girl goodies, and yes, you guys, guess what? Guess what? I finally discovered the wonderfulness of Fit Me by Maybelline foundation. Okay, you guys who watch me are probably like, oh my gosh, you like a foundation? Because all I ever do is talk about how I don't really like foundation. I like BB cream with a little bit of concealer mixed in. I just always feel like it just melts onto my skin, covers every pore, like it just looks like great skin. And I've never found a foundation that did the same thing for me. Until now. Now I've heard all the hype about Fit Me by Maybelline. So the first thing I did was I grabbed some translucent powder and a pressed powder, and I tried those out for like 2 weeks. And I really, really like those. No breakouts, no issues. So I was like, let me give it a whirl. And so I got the shade that is me. This is Sarah. No, it's called 120 Classic Ivory. And I'm amazed. Okay, it is a lot like a BB cream. It does melt into the skin. Go easy on this, because a little bit actually goes a really, really long way. And if you overdo it, just grab yourself like a little tissue moment, just like this. This is what I do sometimes when I overdo it in the foundation. I'll take a tissue and just like stick it on my face and pull it off like that, so that I didn't like really mess anything up, but I took away all the excess that I did not need. So, oh yes, and then I also am going to talk about this cute little contour stick by Wet n Wild. We're going to put on some lash pieces, because I'm trying that out instead of the full band, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think once I get better at this, I'm probably going to like this way better. Also, Makeup Revolution eyeliner, pretty fantastic. Okay, I got a bunch of stuff. My table is full. I'm loving August already, so let's go ahead and get this video started. And if you like me and you like what I do, then please like, please subscribe. And if you know somebody else who's into this kind of thing, then please share my video. Alright, let's get this started. This Fit Me by Maybelline has turned it around for me, because I love this foundation. It goes on like a BB cream, smooth. It does not accentuate your pores. And it sets as a matte with a dewy finish, if that makes any sense. So I've got a bunch of shades here for when I do like clients and whatnot. And this one is actually my perfect shade, which is Classic Ivory 120. And I absolutely love it. So let's throw that on. Yeah, I'm pretty pale. Let's do Porcelain in the Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer by to the eyes, and my August favorites for that are a little bit of everything. Okay, let's start with this Covergirl's True Naked Nudes. I actually really like this. It is a great little palette to throw in your bag on the go or whatever. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades, and 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmery shades. Covergirl can do math. So I love this because it's easy to do a lot of different things with these colors and with these shimmers, and it's only a few dollars. And it's, I mean, it's super cute. It's tiny, but you get a lot of use out of that. And then the next one would be these little tiny Almay 4-in-1, they're eyeshadows. This one is 100 Unicorn, and basically what you get is you get the same color in 4 different textures in one little palette. And so like this one up here would be the matte white, and then you move into like a satin, and then you move into like a high glitter, and then you move into like a sheen. And I absolutely love these, especially the Unicorn, because I love to find a bright white eyeshadow that I can use, and they're actually very hard to find. Very hard to find. So $4, I believe those are. Next will be the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic, I'm not sure. Either way, I just got this for, it's $18 at Ulta, but I got it for like $12.50 because I had a coupon, or $13.50. And I believe that they have reissued this palette, because I know there was an older one like 4 years ago, same name, same brand, everything. But this looks like it's been redone a little bit. I love this palette, and I'll tell you why. Not just because of the colors. I love the mirror, but I love these raised pans. So like the makeup is inside. I can take my makeup wipe or my brush or whatever and clean this whole top, and it looks like brand new. I wish they were all like that. But the colors blend great. They're all shimmery, baked eyeshadows. There are 18 colors, so it's basically $1 a color. And as you can see, there are some that have like a mixed pigment. And when you want to use those, I prefer to just kind of get some and then put it on the back of my hand, and then use it so that it's even, so that the coloring isn't a little bit off. And then the next is my Thirsty palette. I know I've mentioned it already, but you guys, this is a very versatile palette. You could do a lot of things, all the way from simple, natural, everyday looks to out of this world's artistic ideals that you have for your makeup. And I mean, it's amazing. Do I have to say anything else? It's got a huge mirror, huge pans. You've got all these mattes on the top and on the bottom, and then the middle is these giant pans of just beautiful shimmers. I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorites, and I can't wait to actually get the blood sugar, because that'll probably be my next favorite. But let's go ahead and do something with these eyes using these 3 palettes, and then I will probably pop this little baby on my brow bone and on my inner corner. So look. Loving. I'm going to now do eyeliner and mascara and a couple of lashes. Where did I put them? Over here. Okay, so first we'll go with the eyeliner. I am in love with this Makeup Revolution liquid eyeliner in black. If you can see the tip, it is very thin. Like, it draws a really nice, beautiful, sexy line. I've heard some people complain that they've had trouble getting this to like look good all day. I don't know if maybe they're just going right on top of like an oily eyelid or whatnot, but this stuff I have had no trouble with having on my eye all day and lasting and looking sharp and perfect all day. Like, gotta scrub that baby off to get it off. So I love this. I know not everybody does. I believe it's $6. I got mine at Ulta and I absolutely love it. And then next I will go in with the Escence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Super cute packaging. I love it. I love it. I almost got it just for the packaging. But no, I've heard Tati talk about it a lot. She loves this one and it is only a few dollars. And so I thought, well, why wouldn't I try it? So I went to the store and I checked out the tester because for me it's all about the wand. And I love the wand. It is thin. It's a little bit thicker on the outside and then thinner on the inside, so you can really get in there and then turn it if you need to. But because the outside is a bit thicker, it flicks the outside. I really like it. It's very black, black, black. I would say 2 coat maximum. Don't go any more than that, or you start to get, you know, like mascara tears, where it's falling out little tiny clumps of mascara clumps onto your face and you don't even know it's there. I hate that. Yeah, only 2 coats, but it's really great and it's only a few dollars. And I mean, let's see how many ounces are in this thing. 0.40, which is actually pretty good for a mascara that's that cheap, that looks great. So let's go ahead and do the eyeliner and the lashes. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to apply a few little eyelash pieces. Now I do have my regular eyelashes, but I've been kind of loving this a little bit more. I can be more exact and they look more natural. It's almost like having eyelash extensions without all that damage because they just come out at the end of the night. So I usually do 1 to 2 on each side depending on how dramatic I want to go. I think the most I've ever done is 3 and that was like too much. So also using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe in clear. I love this one. It's my favorite. So, oh, that was a lot of talking. Let's get this on. All I've got left are a couple little, I've actually got a dupe. I'm sure you've probably seen this on YouTube somewhere. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Kittenkarma. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. One of my favorites. And NYX has come out with, it is called Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadow. And it's by NYX. It's got the same little doe foot applicator, tiny little thing I love. And I just want to show you. Now, the eye lights, the Magnificent Metals by Stila, is like $27, $24, $27. And that ain't cheap. Well, ain't cheap. These, I think, were $7. I'll have to look it up for sure and put it down below. But they work really great. I would say not exactly the same as Stila because it's not maybe quite the amount of good quality, but it does the same exact thing, as you can tell. and it does not clump when you move it around like the Stila. So yeah, I'm not, you know, I think with the NYX you might just have to put on maybe a little bit extra once it's dry, just to make sure it doesn't look patchy or anything like that. But absolutely stunning. I love both of these. I have both of these. And then lastly, the very last thing I wanted to talk about are the Wet n Wild bullet lipsticks. I'm dying, you guys. Okay, they have all these shades. I think let's do this one because I have not even used it yet and I've wanted to. This reminds me of Jeffree Star's Fudge Pop liquid lipstick color. This is Wet n Wild, and the kicker is at Walmart, these are 98 cents, right? So yes, they go on really well. Like, they're super smooth and creamy. No bad taste, no bad smell. Doesn't leave my lips feeling dry. In fact, I will point out that I wore one of these yesterday, a bright purple, and not only did my lips not feel dry, but they actually felt great all day, hydrated. It's very hydrating feeling. I mean, you gotta be kidding me for 98 cents. That is better than the dollar store. And it's Wet n Wild. Who doesn't love a Wet n Wild moment? And I'll probably go over this with a little bit of a gloss. But yes, these lipsticks are to die for. I'm pretty sure I have every shade at this point, at least every shade that is available to me. They go a long way. They really do. They last a long time. I mean, I cannot believe that they're 98 cents. Like, I'm waiting to find out that there's like something horrible in them or something because they're so amazing, and 98 cents. So when I found that, I was like, give me every shade. And I have it, and they have frosty lips, they have matte, they have like really cool colors. I was wearing a purple yesterday. I just love them, and 98 cents, you cannot go wrong. So I think that is it for, yes, just making sure that's it for my August favorites. I'm gonna set this look to the gods. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed me. And don't forget to share if you know anybody who loves these kind of videos or hates these videos. You can send them one too. You guys have a great day. Love you. Bye.